Morning, guys. We are at the airport right now. We're going to Montana, Boise, Montana today. Going to see Yellowstone, going to spend some days in the national park, which should be beautiful. But we're waiting for the plane to come over here right now. We're going to load up and then we're going to start heading. I think we have two flights.
2.5 hours and then 3.5 hours.
Yeah, so, but welcome back to the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Welcome to somewhere in Colorado, so we gotta stop here and then we're going to Montana, but I have no idea where we're in Colorado. I know we're a little bit north of Durango, that's all I know. Dang, look at the view from here, but just a quick stop here. We still have 2 hours and 30 minutes until we get to Montana, which it's kind of funny because Yellowstone is on the edge of 4 states. So we picked Montana because we know a really nice place there, but the weather here is beautiful and the views are even better. Okay, so we made it to Montana. I was gonna stay in there, but it's right in the sun. But this airport's absolutely beautiful. You see the mountains behind. I think we actually flew over Yellowstone coming in. It was a little cloudier coming in. We kind of went through some clouds, bumpy at the end, but this place is absolutely beautiful. I love the nature. We were in Colorado about probably a month ago, 3 weeks, and I love that trip, but yeah. So we made it. It was about like a 45-minute drive to get out here, but it's absolutely beautiful out. We're in Big Sky, Montana. There's actually a pretty good ski resort, and there's a couple events. Well, the ski resort's about a couple miles that way, but there's like a skate park and that over there, so we might go check that out later, but we're gonna get settled in real quick. Okay, so I guess the house doesn't, like the locks don't, like we get a code for it and the locks don't work until 4, and so we got like 20 minutes. So we found these bikes in the garage. For some reason the garage could work, so we're gonna ride these to the park because there's like a park. Since it's kind of like a community type thing, there's a park, right? There's like a park and I think there's a skate park too, but we're gonna go check it out for a little bit and then we're gonna come back. So yeah. Okay, so we made it to the community center. So there's a skate park behind us, which is kind of getting redone right now, I guess. And there's this dirt track that Owen's been trying to be a mountain biker, even though his wheels are flat. And there's also a frisbee course, so we might go. I told my dad to get us some frisbee, and we might go play it sometime, because I know we won't have like the real equipment for it, but it's just for fun. There's also some rock climbing, which we might go do in a second, so that's the plan. Yeah.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I better off alone, breathe and embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons had to question me.
Okay, so we just played a little bit of the frisbee ball, of course. We had a softball and a frisbee actually, but we're probably gonna come back with a different day. But we're gonna head home now, probably go to bed because we're getting up early to go to Yellowstone tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.